Hello children, today we will do long question answers of chapter 8 Weathering and Soil. Number 1, difference between each pair. Okay, first we have to difference between degradation and aggradation. Okay, so degradation is the process by which rock material are removed from the earth's surface leading to the lowering of the land surface. It occurs due to forces like erosion. And aggradation is it's just opposite. Aggradation is the opposite process where materials are deposited in the lower area like valleys and lakes, leading to the raising of the land surface. Okay, now we have to differentiate weathering and erosion. Okay, so weathering is the breakdown of rocks in place due to elements like rain, frost, and temperature changes. It does not involve the movement of material. And erosion is the process by which weathered materials are transported from their original location by agents like water, wind, or ice. Okay, so rain, frost, and temperature changes are responsible for weathering, and water, wind, and ice are responsible for erosion. Okay. Okay, now we have to differentiate granular disintegration and exfoliation. Granular disintegration occurs when rocks break down grain by grain due to repeated heating and cooling. Often seen in the desert region, exfoliation involves the peeling of the surface layer of rocks in sheets, usually due to temperature changes causing expansion and contraction. Okay, now we will differentiate hydration and solution. Hydration is the chemical weathering process where water combines with minerals in rocks, causing them to swell and break down into a powdery mass. And solution occurs when minerals in rocks dissolves in water, leading to the disintegration of the rocks. Okay, now we will differentiate soil erosion and soil conservation. Soil erosion is the removal of washing away of the topsoil by agents such as wind and water, making the land less fertile. And soil conservation refers to practices and method like contour tiling, afforestation, and crop rotation used to prevent soil erosion and maintain soil fertility. Briefly answers. Two agents of erosion, running water and wind. Two factors that affect weathering, climate, and mineral composition of rocks. Number 3, reason where frost action is common. Frost action is common in temperate regions and cold mountain areas. Number 4, the most important effect of weathering, formation of soil. Number 5, components of topsoil, humus. What is humus? Decomposed organic matter. And clay, silt, and sand. Detailed answer. What is gradation? Describe the two processes involved in gradation. Gradation is the process by which the earth's surface is leveled through two opposite forces. First is degradation are lowering of land by erosion. Okay, degradation is lowering of land, and aggradation is raising of land. Okay, so aggradation is raising of land by deposition of material. Okay, question number 2, describe the process that leads to exfoliation. Exfoliation happens when the outer layer of rounded rocks peel off due to repeated expansion during the day and contraction at night. This is caused by temperature fluctuation which weaken the outer layer over time. Okay, question number 3, how do animal and plants assist in weathering? Plant assist in weathering when their roots grow into cracks in rocks, widening them and causing them to break apart. And animals like ants, earthworm, and burrowing creatures loosen soil and make tunnels which help break down rocks and contribute to biological weathering. Number 4, what is meant by the terms soil erosion and soil conservation? Soil erosion and soil conservation are two opposite factors. Soil erosion refers to the loss or displacement of top layer of soil by natural agents like wind and water. And soil conservation involves methods such as afforestation, contour tiling, and controlled grazing to prevent soil erosion and preserve its fertility. Geographical reason. Temperature change Temperature changes result in physical weathering. Repeated heating and cooling causes rocks to expand and contract, leading to their disintegration. This is common in desert region where the temperature fluctuates dramatically between day and night. Okay, so that's why temperature changes result in physical weathering. Okay, number two, gases in the atmosphere affect weathering. Okay, gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide react with mineral in rocks, leading to chemical weathering. For instance, oxygen causes oxidation, which weaken rocks. How? Rusting. Okay, number three, human activities affect weathering. Yes, activities such as mining, quarrying, deforestation, and construction accelerate weathering by exposing rocks to the elements and removing protective vegetation cover. Soil is very important resource. Why soil is very important resource? Soil supports plants' growth, of course, which provides food. Plants gives us food, shelter, clothing for humans. It also plays a key role in ecosystem, water filtration and maintaining biodiversity. Okay. Okay. For last reason, fifth reason is there is a need for soil conservation. Yes, of course. Soil conservation is necessary to prevent the loss of fertile soil through erosion. This ensures long-term agriculture productivity, environmental stability, and supports efforts to combat climate change. Okay, that's all for now. Keep practicing.